Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious microwave custard. First, gather your simple ingredients like milk, eggs, sugar, and vanilla extract. You'll need a microwave-safe bowl for mixing and cooking. Whisk everything together thoroughly to ensure a smooth, lump-free mixture. This quick method is perfect for a delightful dessert in just a few minutes. Let's get mixing. In your microwave-safe bowl, crack 2 large eggs and add 1/4 cup of granulated sugar. Whisk these together until they are well combined and slightly pale. Next, pour in 1 cup of whole milk and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Continue whisking until the mixture is completely smooth, with no sugar granules visible. Now for the cooking, place your bowl in the microwave and cook on medium power for 1 minute. Remove and stir thoroughly. Repeat this process, heating for 1-minute intervals and stirring well each time. Continue until the custard thickens enough to coat the back of a spoon. This usually takes about 4 to 6 minutes total. Once your custard is perfectly cooked, remove it from the microwave and give it one final stir. Immediately cover the surface with plastic wrap, pressing it directly onto the custard to prevent a skin from forming. Let it cool slightly on the counter, then refrigerate for at least 2 hours. Serve your chilled custard plain or with fresh berries.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.